Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use wheatgrass powder for weight loss. Mix 1 teaspoon of wheatgrass powder with 8 ounces of water or juice before meals. Start with a morning serving and gradually add an afternoon drink if it suits you. Keep portions small, focus on whole foods, and pair the drink with regular activity. Notice subtle appetite changes, track how you feel, and adjust timing to suit your routine. In this video, I will show how to use wheatgrass powder for weight loss. Take it 20 to 30 minutes before meals to help curb cravings and support better portion control. If you struggle with late afternoon snacking, add a mid-afternoon serving to steady energy. Listen to your body and avoid taking wheatgrass when you feel overly full. Consistency matters, so aim for the same timing most days of the week. In this video, I will show how to use wheatgrass powder for weight loss. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your commute pleasant and your mood lifted. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use wheatgrass powder for weight loss. Blend wheatgrass into a smoothie with banana or berries to improve flavor and add fiber. If you prefer a lighter option, whisk it into cold coconut water for a refreshing boost. Always begin with 1 teaspoon and increase slowly to monitor tolerance. Pair these drinks with balanced meals and consistent activity for sustainable results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.